How to adjust business or employee hours per day. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to adjust business hours or modify an individual employee's schedule for a specific date on the calendar. This can be useful for things like holidays, special events, or single-day adjustments to an employee's schedule. There's a different area to schedule repeating holidays, which can be found under the System drop-down menu option, then Business Hours. This area is useful because it allows you to set up annual holidays. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about setting up holiday hours. To start, we will go to the Appointments area. There are two ways to access the area to adjust daily hours. You can right-click into an employee's column and select Change Schedule. This will open a pop-up to adjust the employee's schedule for the date you are on. This allows for quick changes to a specific employee's hours for that day. The second way to access this area is by clicking the Adjust Hours option under the Actions menu. This will allow you to edit business hours as well as employee hours. Simply select what you would like to adjust from the drop-down. We will start by adjusting business hours. Choose the date you want to edit. Choose if the business will be open or closed. If it is open, select the desired hours for the business to be open. Enter a reason for the change and click Save. Now, on to adjusting an employee's hours. We will go back to Change Schedule and choose the employee. Then, select the date to adjust. Use the Employee is Working slider to set the employee as working or not working. If they are working that day, set their start and end times. If the employee has a scheduled meal break, you can add it by enabling the Has Break option. If you want this change to remain unaffected by future updates to the repeating schedule, select Lock Schedule and enter a reason for the lock. Locking the schedule will ensure that the only way to reverse this change will be to come back into this area on this date for this employee. Click Save once finished. We are now finished going over how to adjust daily hours. Thanks for watching.